So we have a high degree of conviction. The RBA will be lifting rates today by 50 basis points. That'll take us to a policy rate of 2.35% against the backdrop of a fully employed labour market, a massive inflation overshoot, and the fact that financial conditions are still highly accommodative. So yes, we share the consensus view for this meeting. We do think they'll move by 50 today.
What are you listening out for to hear in the commentary, though?
Yeah, so it'll be interesting. In the brief sort of statement attending the decision, I think markets will be particularly sensitive to any sort of signal the RBA is thinking about stepping down the pace of tightening to, say, 25 basis point increments. Now, we think that'll happen eventually over the coming months, but it's probably too early to expect to see that today, given that sort of dovish pivot today, just given the unemployment rate is so low at 3.4%, lowest since 1974, given the inflation overshoot is so large, and given the hawkish pivots we're seeing at a whole range of peer central banks, including, and most importantly, the Fed. So, look, we expect the RBA to retain fairly cautious, vague forward guidance today. I think key language will be retained around, expecting to tighten further over the coming months, but also the caveat that policy is not on a preset path. So I think, we have to remember this is a central bank that's been stung a little bit by providing forward guidance that was seen as a little bit too explicit over the past 12 months. Think about the experiment with yield curve control, for example. So we think given that, and given that the outlook is uncertain, that they'll be cautious and want to maintain quite a lot of optionality going forward. Ultimately, it's data dependent, and we think the data will warrant further tightening over the remainder of the year.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.